Our universe, Earth, blue planet, high altitude and passes. Talk machine
4x4 lover, Dr. Amit Rajta.
is a member of Ivy League Isuzu Adventures India.
Tanuj, come in.
He get an idea to making a team.
Appointed Mr. Tanuj Sharma, CEO. CTO Mr. Rajiv Bhutka.
Hello. Keep distance.
Mr. Arun Mehta.
Managing Director of Day-to-Day Events. First-time Countryside Adventure Group Planning.
For jalori bus.
The high altitude of 10,800 feet from sea level. Perfect pass for off-roading tasks. This is the concept for only 4x4 owners and lovers. So get ready.